Oh my hand.
You the host now. I made you the host. You became the host.
Okay, Kavita. Yes, yes.
You became the host.
Yes, Kavita.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
ठीक है.
yes, Kavita. Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes. One second. We'll wait for Tanishka and one more Vivan Sindhu. Okay?
We have to say
Subha?
Ma'am,
1 second. Yes, Vivan's also joined here.
I read page 10 and 11 of physics.
No? Okay, you learn. What you learn?
Yes. I learned about solid, liquid, and gas.
Okay, good.
That it has a definite volume, definite shape.
Definite volume, definite shape. Okay. Okay, and Vihan also joined. Good afternoon, Vihan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Now who's left?
I don't know.
I
Tanishka.
don't know. Tanishka. So in last class physics we learned
Molecules
matter.
and atoms.
Matter. The topic is matter. Okay. So what is matter? We'll wait for 2 minutes for Tanishka will join. Okay. Yes. So by the time what the other subjects going on, only physics is very less pages we learn, right? Only one class.
Ma'am. We
Yes?
barely learned one page.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It doesn't matter. We will learn in the matter class.
Still,
Okay.
ma'am, last year I had learned matter.
Okay. You learn already matter. Okay. So matter is that? What is matter? This will revise by the time. Okay. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes till 3 o'clock. Then we'll start. Okay.
Atom occupies matter occupies space. It exists in three. It exists in three.
Solid, liquid, and gas. Yes.
It
Okay.
exists in solid, liquid, gas.
Okay.
Definition of solid, liquid, and gas. The solid molecules are very closely stick to each other, and liquid molecules are not very stick to each other. They are they take shape of the container,
Okay.
and
Okay.
air flows in air.
Air flows in.
Ma'am,
Air flows in.
their molecules are very they are very lightly.
Very slightly. It's occupied. Okay.
Ma'am, should I say?
Yes. 1 second. I have some issues from network.
Definition of solid. The particles are very close to each other. They have a definite volume and a definite shape.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Then liquid. They slide past each other, and they don't have a definite shape, but they have a definite volume. Gases.
Okay.
They are very away
Gas has
from
definite
each other.
volume. Gas has definite volume.
No.
Okay.
I was saying about liquid.
Okay,
Now
liquid.
gas.
Okay.
They are very far away from each other, and they don't have definite shape and don't have definite volume.
Okay. So you all learn from the book, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Will Tanishka join? Not yet. Okay. Then we'll start the class. Okay. Yes. Okay. Are ready? 1 second. I'll close this one. Yes. So I can see Shubhan also. I can see only Ranveer and Vivan. Mihan. Subhan, I can't see your face. Subhan, I can't see your face, Subhan.
Now is
Okay.
full
So
blank.
matter. So matter is that
Yes.
any particle that occupies space and volume. Yes, that's one. That is that matter. So matter has that combination of small, tiny particle. That indivisible particle is called. Right?
Matter.
That indivisible particle is called atom. That
Atom.
atoms are joined together. That is molecule. Because all the atoms joined together, we can be molecule. So in the scientists, they decided, they assumed in that all the substance. See, we have substance like that, different substance. They assume that molecules are in spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. I will show you. Yes. Yes, Vihan. Vihan. You can't hear? Yes, once again, now you can able to hear. Now we can hear? Yes. Okay. They all the molecules are the spherical. They decided in spherical in shape. That molecule, that scientists decided the indivisible that molecule is. See, look at here. The spherical in shape. The
Marble.
molecule will be in the shape of that is marble, because I'm showing because in the spherical in shape. So they assume that molecule on the all the substance they have in spherical in shape. Okay. So see here. See, atom, we finished atom. What is molecule? The same types of atom is called elements. See here, I have here same type of molecule. Small molecule, all the same type of molecule. See, in the substance, all the molecule are same type. See, last time I showed with that Lego. Yes, can you remember that Lego? I showed this with Lego, right? See, all this same type of molecule is joined together is called elements. All that joined together is called, see, this is called, this one, this is called substance. Same, yeah, some same type of molecule is called substance, but different types of molecule joined together is called compound. See, different types. See, look at the difference. Can you see can you see everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. See,
All
same
is
type.
blue.
All is blue. See, this same type of element. This is different molecules. So different types of atoms are all molecules are in the same substance, but different. This is called compound, and this is called substance. See, suppose in one molecule, see, if you are taking that ball, all the molecules are same. Doesn't matter. See, it will be in the same. See, that's why it is all the molecule in that ball will be in the same. So this is called substance. In some particle, some matter, they have different types of molecules joined together. See, that is called compound. Okay, that is called compound. This is called atom. Sorry, this is called substance. Okay, now we learn, see, what is matter. Can you see everyone, right? Can you continue? Yes. See, wait, I can't see. Tanishka join? Not yet. Okay. See, we learned that what is matter. Matter is that anything is occupies space and weight is called matter. That individual tiny particle, the tiny small last class we learned, a small tiny piece is called atom. That all the atoms combined together make a molecule. Yes, molecule. That molecule is it? They assume the molecule is in the spherical in shape. See, like this shapes. Molecule they assumed in spherical in shape. Yes. Okay. So in the molecule of some matter, all the molecule will be in the same. The same type of molecule is in the same. That is called substance. If it is different types of molecule joined, see here different types of molecule joined here. Here we can say this is called compound. Same type means what we can call same type of molecule. Same type of thing. This is all small tiny piece is called atom.
Substance.
See, all the atoms joined together. All the atoms joined together, we can molecule. See, all the same type. See, like the same type. We can say this is same type means substance. If it is different type, see, I will put it in different type like
Compound.
this. This is different type. See, I will mix here. See, I will give you one more example also.
Ma'am, Tanishka came.
Tanishka also came. Okay, good. I can see Tanishka.
Yes,
Say different type. Because I make the screen on to closer to the item. So I can see. Yes, good afternoon, Tanishka.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, now I'm checking here. Okay. Just now we revised the previous one only. Slightly I will explain the next one also. Okay. About the matter, we learned already atom. What is atom? That indivisible tiny particle that is called. If you have any in between any place you have any doubt, please tell me. I will repeat the same. Okay. The indivisible, the tiny particle is called atom. The atom called together makes the molecule. We learned the last time.
Yeah.
The molecule, the scientists they decided the molecule when we cannot see the molecule on the in that regular eyes. See, they have to focus in the microscope. They assume the molecular will be in that spherical in
Ma'am,
shape. Can you see?
Your
Yes.
video is stopped.
Video is stopped. No, you can see my video and my video in one more screen. I have this written
Yes.
grade 2. You can see, yes, one more screen. Okay, I'm connecting with the two device, Vihan. Okay, Vihan, I am connecting two device. Okay, you can see one device from my voice, one device video. Say, scientists assume that molecule will be in that spherical in shape. See, spherical shape. That's I am using the marble to show you how to that molecule. Okay, the same type of molecule. Can you see here? Same type of molecule. Same type of molecule here joined together in the substance. This is called substance. Same type of molecule means
Yeah.
substance. See like this. Last time I used that Lego. If it is different types of molecules, see different colors are there. That's why I put it in different types.
Yeah.
See like this Lego also different types. This is called compound. Okay. So far we learn.
What
Once you learn what we have. This is called element. So this is called compound. Same type is called substance. Different types of molecule is called compound.
Compound.
Okay, compound. This is substance. This is compound. Understand? We'll go to the next one. We'll move. Next one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
same is called compound, and
No, same is called substance. Different types
same
of
is
molecules
called
called
different
compound.
is called compound.
Okay, identify. See, same. Same is same type. See, same type. If I am showing this is a ball. All that molecule are same. So this is one substance. If it is different molecules, it is compound. Okay.
Compound.
Any clear?
Yes.
I will go to the next one.
Yes.
Vihan, Tanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Shubhan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now in the substance, they have some kinetic energy in between them. That is called kinetic energy of matter, kinetic theory of matter. What is the kinetic theory of matter? In each matter have some kinetic theory. Now we have to learn what is the kinetic theory of matter. Okay. The first one kinetic theory of matter is the molecule of all the particle, all the substance in the particle are similar in same distance, same respect. See, this will not change. If it is the same substance, it will not change. I will show you how it happens. Okay. If it not able to see, you can tell me. I will put the camera properly. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am. No. Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes. Two glasses
now?
are half. Yeah.
Yes, glass. Okay. See, what is the first theory of kinetic theory of matter? I am showing this one. Okay. See, I have the some food coloring. It will be in green color. I took today green color, food color. Okay. See here, 3 glasses of same quantity of 3 glasses I have here. Okay, 3 glasses, 1, 2, 3 glasses. All the glasses have same size. Okay. See, I'm going to add that food color in one of that glass. I'm going to mix it this one. See, anything because I want to show. That's why I put it in green color. Okay, I'm mixing this one. So now that water contain the food color, that's why the water color change into green color. Okay, so the whole water that water in that molecules is in the particular matter, they have the same property in the whole water. Whatever water is contained in that particular glass. Okay, now what I'm going to do this one, see the same food color. See when what is the color? The green color will be appear in the full substance. Okay, the full substance. Now I am going to add the little bit. See, just I am going to take 1 spoon of water. See, wait. Okay, 1 spoon of water. I am going to add it here, and 2 more. Okay. Wait. I will add this one. Wait. I'll put it in another spoon. I'm going to mix this one. See, now the color is little bit changed. Otherwise, I'll pour it in little bit. See, I'll pour it in little bit. Okay. Now I am mixing this one. Can you change little bit color? Change this white and this glass of water and this
Yes,
glass.
ma'am, it is-
Both are same. Both are same.
No, ma'am. It is looking
No,
a little dull.
little dull color. So, but this water also have the same property. This water also have same property. What that food color have? The same food color. That property have that same food, the substance. What I put in the substance, the same property. This water also have. If I am going to add more in this one, from here to here, I am going to add from here to here. Okay. See, I am mixing this one. So some of this little, the white color will disappear, but some pale green color is there. Okay, but we cannot see properly, but you can see here. See, but when we are transferring from one here, the same food color will not change. The same food color, the same substance. See, this water also have same property. This water also same property of the food color. This water also the same property of the food color. It will not change. The substance, the property of the substance will not change. If we were changing from one place to another place, wherever. Though, what is that? All the molecular of the particular substance. This particular substance, all the molecular have the same property. That is the first theory of the kinetic theory of the matter. What is the first theory? All the molecules of a particular substance are similar to all that's respect. Similar. It will not change the property. Okay. See, when you add here, the same property will be continued. It will not change. So, what is the first property? The particular substance, the molecule of the particular substance are similar.
All the molecule of the particular substance.
It's the same. It will not change. The substance of that same substance. See, this is the substance. That molecular property will not change. Okay, this is the first rule. Okay, the next one. Wait, I will move here. The next one I will show you here. In all the time now, see water here. Everything.
And this was substance.
Yes, the substance. The next substance. The another one. One more. The substance. The molecule of the substance or in state always it will be move in random motion. It's keep on moving. See, I will show you with the liquid. Okay. See, it keep on. Yes, it's keep on moving. Every time that that's a substance. The molecule and the substance or keep on moving in between them. All the substance, the molecule will be keep on moving in between them only. It's some motions. It will go from here, go from here, go from here like this. Okay, I will show you from here. See, the same one. I will remove this one. Okay, I'll keep it down. Can you see this one clearly right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you just take a little back? Yeah,
little
perfect.
back.
Perfect.
Yes, perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. See, these are all molecule. It will see. It keep on moving in between. We can see in between. It will keep on moving in random motion. Okay. See, can you see here? All the molecules are packed here. Can you see in between
Solid.
some small solid? In between small space is there. Can you see here? In between,
Yes,
can you
yes,
see the
yes.
small space? Yes.
Yes.
See, we have Vihan, Kanishka, Subhan, everyone. Can you see the space in between the molecule? Yes.
Yes.
See, I am showing very closer. See, this space is called intermolecular space. Can you see one molecule? These are all molecules. In between two molecules, we have the space. In between, see?
Yes.
In between, we have space. This is called intermolecular space. In between two molecules, we have space. That is called intermolecular space. This is the another theory of the matter, kinetic theory of the matter. One more. Okay, this is what is this called? What is this called?
Yeah, let me see.
Intermolecular space. So in between the molecular, in between two molecules, we have the space in between. That is called intermolecular space. Please listen carefully because we are going further with the same heading, the same definition only. Solid, liquid, gas. When we learn, we need this one. Okay, we have to concentrate this one. See, intermolecular space. What will be happen? Always it closer together now. It will keep on moving, and will creating energy. It will create energy and create force. That intermolecular space. Okay. It depends upon the kinetic energy of the individual molecule. See, when you are doing this one, see, when I am doing this one, see, it's moving. See, it's moving in between. See, when in between it's moving automatically. See, like this. See, when we are putting here, in between we have the space in
Yes.
between each molecule. That is called
Like liquid.
intermolecular space. Intermolecular space. It will attract each other. Always it will attract each other, tightly packed. So they have one force in between two molecular. See, two molecular in between two molecular that have one force. That is called intermolecular force. Okay. See here, I will show you in another one. Where is that one? See. Here intermolecular force, see, it cannot move loosely. See, very less space. So the force is very tightly packed. That's why it can't move like a solid. See here the space in intermolecular space. Can you see the space? See, lots of space in between two molecules. Yes. So
Ma'am, like
easily it
gas.
can move. It is easily can move. So the force of the attraction will be very less. See here the force of the attraction is more. So in between that intermolecular space, and this is called intermolecular force. See what is here, that force is very strong. Here it is very less. So this is that another theory of that kinetic theory of the matter. So intermolecular force and intermolecular space also. So what are the kinetic theory of matter? What is the first one is that molecule of a particular substance have same, always similar to, doesn't matter anything. See, always similar. The particular substance, the particle of the particular substance have similar property. Okay. The second one is the particular of the molecule always moving in the random motion. It will keep on moving in the random motion. The molecular space in between two molecular, we have the space that is called intermolecular space. Then when we are moving, they will create energy, na? So energy means it will have force. So that is called intermolecular force. Okay, got it? This is called intermolecular force. Okay. Now I will go to that. So you all know the three states of matter, right? What are the three states of matter? Three states of matter.
Solid, liquid, gas.
Liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay. What is solid means? See, I will show you this. This is a solid. Yes. Solid. This is water and this is gas. See, okay. See, is this a solid? See, this is a solid, right? I will
Yes,
keep it a little back. Okay. Can you see now? Yes. Wait 1 second.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So this is a solid. This is the liquid. See, I have liquid. I will put it red color. Here is that
Gas, air.
gas, because it's air. Air it is inside, so it is gas. Gas. This is solid, liquid, gas. What is the solid here? Solid has a shape. Can we measure the shape of that? What is this shape? What is the shape?
Cube.
Cube. Can we measure the
Square.
volume, right? Can you measure
Yes.
the volume? Length
Into
and
breadth
width.
into height.
Right. So we can measure that volume. See, in the solid, we can measure the shape. What is the shape? See, maybe you have see this one. See, you can see this one. It will be looked at cuboid size. This is cube. This is cuboid. See, we can identify what is the shape of that in solid. But here, what is this one in liquid? Have any shape? Liquid have any shape?
No, ma'am.
No. So wherever the container I'm keeping, the same shape. The liquid have that.
Liquid
of the
goes in
container.
any container. Liquid
Which
goes in any
container we are
container
going
and take the same.
The shape of the container liquid. But air have any shape? No.
No,
Air will
ma'am.
have no shape. And it have any volume? Air has volume?
No.
No volume. No. Or it has volume. See, when you are putting here, it will compress here. See, water is here. When we remove this here, it will go and spread everywhere. Yes? Yes.
So,
It's
ma'am, it
extra.
doesn't have any volume. It
Yes,
doesn't have any
any.
volume.
That's why I'm telling. See, when we have here, it is inside. When we remove, it goes. So we cannot make a way. See, the whole. See, when I open this one, the air goes and fill the whole room. So I cannot calculate the volume of the air. So that solid have the definite shape. Liquid have the container of the shape. Then the air has no shape. Then solid have that volume. We can calculate the volume. Then here that liquid also we can measure the volume. Okay, we can measure now. We can measure the volume now. We can pour it in the measurement container. We'll pour that. It will show 300 ml, 400 ml like this. So we have that volume.
Ma'am,
also.
you
But
can
cannot-
measure it in. You can
measure it in the
liquid
liquid. We can measure liquid. Okay. So here,
in milliliter.
8 measures. So volume have the same shape, and this is have the shape of the container that doesn't have shape air. Air means gas. So what say solid have that proper volume, liquid also have volume, that air also
Gas
volume, but we
doesn't
cannot
have.
calculate volume. Now here, why
ma'am,
this is
air does-
compressed? Can we compress, Casey? Can we make it more like this? Can we make
No,
it more
ma'am.
close? Can you make it
Only
more
gas.
close like this? Huh?
Only gas.
Make it here. See, I can press. See, I can press this one. It will go little bit up. Can you see here? Now it's showing here. I can press here, but it little bit up. But the volume is same because when I pressing, the up in the air only goes up, but the liquid volume of the liquid will be same. When I
Same.
press this one, see, when the full bottle is air.
Yes.
When I compress, see, when I can compress the air. Okay, so the compressibility is no zero for solid and liquid, but air we can compress like this. Okay, now why it is
So
called this
air is
tightly
the
packed?
correct answer.
Why it is tightly packed here, that solid? Why it is can I flex like this? Why air can that gas cannot move like this?
Ma'am, because
in
air
the
is not hard. The air is
Why
not a
I will-
material.
material. Say right here, that solid. See, I am keeping here. I am explaining. In the solid, all the molecules are tightly packed like this. Here, like this. Okay. See, I am keeping in front of everything one by one. See, air in that solid, all the molecules are packed. See, packed closely, tightly packed. When I cannot move like this. So tightly, all the molecules are tightly packed. So the intermolecular space is closed. The intermolecular space is closely, tightly packed. That cannot move here and there. See, can you close this one? Can you take the hand? This is solid. See, all the molecules are tightly, see, like this, tightly packed. Tightly like this packed. You cannot move like this. When you press also, you cannot move. Okay. The next, that liquid. When liquid comes, see here, liquid. See, I'm going to see. I will show you. In the liquid, now, see liquid. That molecules are, see, in the liquid, the molecules are packed like this. See, loosely packed. See, it will go like this. So that's why when we are moving this one, the water is going here and there like this. Okay. See, can we put it here? See, can we flow like this? Okay. The water is moving here. So this molecule is slightly, say, loosely packed. It can move like this here. But intermolecular space between the two molecules is little bit less compared to the solid. It is very less. So that's why it's moving, keep on moving here and there. That's why the force of attraction, the molecular attraction also decrease. In the solid, the force of attraction is more attraction. In the liquid, the force of attraction is less. While come to the solid, the gas means again it's very, very loose. See, very, very loose. Only this much
Very
molecule.
loose.
Yes,
Very loose.
when
It
we
can move here
get
and there.
its full, it can't move.
It
But
can't
when
move. See, it
we,
easily can move here and there. See, when see some smell is coming, when a gas smell is coming, how do you identify that smell? Gas smell. I can smell the gas smell because the smell,
Ma'am,
the
gas.
that LPG gas cylinder gas, na? So it will come
Yes,
and circulate
ma'am.
all that air, so we can feel that one. So it will move fastly compared to that solid. Because
Ma'am, actually in LPG gas, inside it is liquid, but
it's
when
a
it
liquid.
comes
Yes,
out,
liquid.
it is gas.
That is gas. Okay, but
But
example
when it
I'm
comes
telling
out,
you
it
can
is gas.
no, when you how we can identify me? I can feel the gas smell, cylinders from something is coming from the cylinder smell, gas smell. So because that gas mixed with the air, so that's why you can feel that. So like that here, the intermolecular space is very, very loose. That energy also very, very decreased. That's why it's moving here and there. That gas will go and occupy all the space. Okay. So these are all see see, this is the difference between solid, liquid and gas. Solid, we have today we learn only 4 properties. The solid have that definite shape, liquid have that shape of the container, that gas has no shape, no volume. Then solid have the proper shape, liquid container of the shape, that gas it will go anywhere free, so no shape. So we can measure that shape of that. What is that size of that solid. Same we can measure that volume of that liquid. We cannot measure this because it's going from throughout that air. We cannot measure this one. Then when we come to that compressibilities, you cannot compress that solid. But here volume liquid also we cannot compress. But the gas we can compress. See, like that it can be compressed. That intermolecular force is in the solid, the intermolecular force are tightly packed. See, like this. See, I will show you that example. See, can you keep that? Can you keep your hands like this? See, this is solid. All the molecules are tightly packed. When it comes to liquid, slowly coming. See, it cannot move in the solid. When this come to the liquid, the intermolecular space is loose. So that molecule can move here and there, here and there, here and there. When come to the gas, the molecule distance is more increasing. The distance is increasing. The molecule can move easily. The force is very, very less. The force is very, very less. Okay. Can you understand? So you can keep the hands like this and it will be example. Very, very example. Keep the both fingers, tip of the finger. Join the tip of the finger. This is the tip, only tip. See this tip. Now solid. Solid is all the molecules tightly packed. Can you press it? You cannot move. So the space between that molecular is very, very less. That force is very, very strong. That's why you cannot see. I cannot remove from this one. Can you solid? Can you remove? Say any solid. See, I have the specs. Can I remove this one easily? Can't move. See, is tightly packed. When come to the liquid, can little bit move this. Little bit. See, easily can move like this. It can move easily because the space is little bit higher than the solid. Then force is very less. Then when come to the gas, it will be more space. That intermolecular space is more. So that force also very, very less force. Okay. That's why that this is the difference between solid, liquid, and gas. Okay. Any question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ranveer, Tanishka.
No, ma'am.
No. Oh, ma'am.
No? All clear?
Everything
No.
understood.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
You can read the same in the book also. Next, we have more properties in solid and liquid and gas. I cannot finish in the same class. I will tell you more in the next class. Okay. So today we revise that matter, atom, molecule, what is element and compound. Then we've learned that kinetic theory of the matter. Then we learned that what is difference between solid, liquid and gas. Okay.
Yes.
We'll meet you next class. Vihan, Tanishka, Ranveer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no. All of them video are gone.
Oh.